Hey, welcome back. It's been a few weeks since I built the new Heart Lake City downtown flower and design store. And yeah, I've got build videos for this, but I'm going to do an overview review kind of thing today because I just think this set warrants it. Because there's just so much going on in it. Also, due to the fact, it's falling apart already. Due to the fact that this is the very first LEGO Friends set that has been deliberately, intentionally designed for more advanced builders, which, you know, I classify myself as. So it's so exciting to have a Friends set aimed at my demographics. So the logistics of the set, there are 2010 pieces. In Australia, it's $250. USA, it's $160. So its price point per part is not too bad, but the actual design of the set is something unique to what we're used to seeing in the Friends line and also over LEGO in general. So this is designed to be built in 3 parts. It comes apart in 3 parts, and I would also suggest that you move it in 3 parts. It is not a nice big cohesive hunker-chunker that you can move all together. The design is deliberate like that so that you can move the parts around and arrange them however you want them to be. So we have got an enormously awesome amount of characters involved. 7 mini dolls, 2 micro dolls, and 2 animals. Let's have a look at the 2 characters who are the new core Friends people. So we've got Leanne here. Leanne is wearing the new baggy pants mold. Everything about Leanne is brand new, obviously, for this year, including her hair mold, which is gorgeous. She's got medium tan skin tone. We're seeing that in a lot more characters in 2023, which is really exciting. So Ollie is the second, and well, the only other core LEGO Friends character included in this set. He has a new hair mold created specifically for his character for 2023, and he's also got the medium tan skin tone as well. I talk more in depth about these characters in my build video, so check those out. The 2 micro dolls appear to be twins. Their names are Victoria and Peter, and they actually have a little storyline just specifically designed around this set. The police officer is actually holding, well, I'll show you when we get to her, but their pictures are on there. They're missing and she's looking for them. So it's just, this is filled with absolutely fantastic quirky details. All right, police officer Isabella, who would have been absolutely perfect as Olivia's mum before we did the new generation of the LEGO Friends. But anyway, I'm going to let that go. So she is the first physical police officer mini doll. See on her iPad, she's got the pictures of the twins missing. She's out looking for them. I just love all the details. They're really, really great. Next character, Aida, has got the reddish brown skin tone. She's got the new hairpiece that was created for Paisley. Her face print is just gorgeous. She's a really, really lovely looking mini doll altogether. Very cartoony. She has got on the uniform of the design store, the furniture store. Her torso print is so detailed. The lanyard, the little uniform staff thing, and this is brand new printed tile, which is a card scannery pay thing. I'm sure it has a proper name, but the thing you bip your credit card on, so awesome. I'm sure we're going to see this in a lot of future sets. Next character is Fiona. She's in charge of the flower store. I love her full-length apron. Just her whole outfit is so cohesive and fantastic. She's got the medium tan skin tone as well. Seeing so many new characters with that. But look at this apron. I'm just in love with the apron altogether. I'm reasonably certain that Fiona is intended to be a character with Down syndrome because of the shape of her eyes and the extra skin folds around there. LEGO has made a commitment in 2023 to be more diverse with their characters, and we're definitely seeing it in the LEGO Friends line. Hopefully it'll transfer more over into the other lines as well. Okay, next up, Riley. Riley is a busker. She's got her trusty saxophone, a fantastic 3/4 length dress with red, well, it's red with white roses on it, brown boots. Her hairpiece is one that was newly introduced last year, but it's newly coloured for this. Face print is brand new and full of expression. Fantastic with all the eyebrows. Print goes around the back of the torso, but not around the back of the skirt yet, but one day I'm sure we're going to see that happen. Maybe. I don't really care too much whether we have print around the back of the skirt, but it would be a fantastic detail, right? Anyway, so last of the mini dolls is Addie. She's obviously got South Asian ethnicity. Her torso print is so beautiful and detailed, and something we haven't seen before in the LEGO Friends line before. Works really, really well with her origins. Colour of the coral skirt is really vibrant. Her skin tone is also, it's medium nougat like Andrea's was, but it's slightly different, like it's slightly lighter and slightly less glossy. I don't know. She is moving into the apartment. She's a new student at the international school, which we found out in the first episode, so that's kind of cool. Actually, it's very cool. Okay, 2 animals. We've got a tiny kitten which we have seen this shape before, but it's a brand new print and a brand new color and got a little winky eye, and a brand new dog mold, which is like a border collie cross Labrador, no, maybe, I don't know, something with fluffy underarms and a fluffy tail and a big goofy smile and floppy ears, and I just love it. So this dog's name is Grace, and there are actually 2 incarnations of Grace, but not in this set. We're going to see other Graces in other sets. Okay, all right, so on to the entire build, the build in its entirety. So we've got 3 obvious, very distinct parts. We've got the design store, design and furniture store, which is an architectural monstrosity. No, it is an architectural fantasticness. That's not even a word. But it's fantastic. It's modern, it's colourful, it's very, very vibrant. The stickers on the side give you an indication of some of the furniture styles that you're going to be finding inside the actual building. And even out on the front walkway, it's got like a little autumnal birch tree. See, this is what I mean, you can't move it. Oh, I've just broken the wall too. You don't move it except in pieces. It's supposed to be moved in pieces, not all in one big set. So the front walkway is grey and kind of the grey-blue tiles. And in the Main Street building, we actually saw grey and bright blue tiles. And these are like a more aged version of that. So it's going to look interesting next to the Main Street building from last year. We've got a square, kind of like a town square area in the middle, and on this other side here we have the florist. All right, heading to the back of the furniture store. We're zooming here. So inside, obviously, there's a whole heap of furniture pieces in 3 very different styles and different colour schemes. So we've got sofas, we've got the price tag over here. There's a coffee machine, just a tiny one either for the employees or for the customers. Here's the little employee desk over here, and on the actual checkout, the monitor, it looks so IKEA-ish. Like at $99 for that chair that we're looking at the back of. There's some high-priced furniture here. So we've got carpets in different styles, side tables, lamps, beds, sofas, lamps. Did I say lamps? I said lamps already. What did I miss? Lots of things. There are lots and lots of things. Oh yeah, and all these pictures or prints that you can choose in different styles, they are littered around the wall here. You can just flick them off with your brick separator. And I just love how this second level is like a split level. I have no idea how you get up to the next levels, but I really, really don't care. I just don't. It doesn't matter to me at all as the sort of person that hopefully this is intended for. So you've got furniture littered everywhere, and you are actually supposed to take it out and design your own apartment over on the other side. I love the fact that there is actually a bed on the wall, and it's so hard to get back on there. It's not really hard, it's just hard when you're trying to fiddle it in front of a review camera. Okay, heading over here, in the middle section, there's a string of removable fairy lights, which are designed just to tie all these buildings in together. All these stairs are coming off here. So we've got a little open eating section up here with a pizza and a soda and a glass, couple of chairs. Windows are opening out onto the eating section, which is cute. Downstairs, the back of this area looks really weird, but we have a rainbow staircase coming up from the front. So it's actually rainbow coloured stairs, which tie in with your Unity Street. So this whole little community section is called Unity Street. There are detachable seats. The fountain is just glorious. It's even got a Lego brick with a heart on it to tie it into Heart Lake City. You can set the busker up out here. She needs a little spot for, collecting coins, a little saxophone case. Anyway, over to the flower store. We'll get Fiona out of the way so we can actually have a look. This is just beautiful. The actual design of this building is gorgeous. The door handle's a little tiny horn. So I don't even know. I could just babble about this forever, but I think you need to have a look at how this is built and put together to really appreciate this part of the build. I love the whimsy of the tiny sold sign for the apartment up here on the window, and there's a door out to the balcony which actually has a detachable key piece with a heart on it once again. So Addie gets this key when she moves into the apartment. Just fantastic little details. On the very top floor, there is a bee house or an insect hotel. An insect hotel, that's right. You guys told me that in the comments. Goodness me. Okay, so insect house, a place up here for growing extra flowers, and a lovely little picnic table with an umbrella. Love it all. Heading down towards the apartment, which is currently empty except for some boxes that are being moved in and a picture here of Addie in front of the Taj Mahal, which is just a fantastic, I mean, this is where she's come from. So Addie's come from here to attend the international school. The actual stuff inside the box are just really rubbish accessories. So like the hair tie, the hair bow and sunglasses. There's a mat left in here from the previous owners, I think, because I don't think it's Addie's style. And there's a paint pot and a paint roller and a paint tray too. And you can see that the walls have only mostly been painted. So it's such a good design, and an ad for the design store right next door. So your job, once you have finished building this, is to actually kit out this apartment with furniture from the furniture store, which is really, really fun. Okay, down to the flower store. I'm going to move this little flower out of the way because this is just so beautiful. It's got an old-fashioned style cash register, and everything down in the flower store is just old-timey. I really like the sticker on this wall. There aren't a whole lot of stickers in this set, obviously because it's designed for older builders. A little display section for different styles of flowers in different vases, and this is where we put Fiona behind the cash register area. It's just absolutely gorgeous, even the little steps down from the door. All right, I'm pretty sure I missed a whole heap of stuff here because I described the set while I'm building it, but having messed about with it for the last couple of weeks, it really hasn't lost its appeal. It is really full of fun. There are so many little stories going on in here. It's ideal for setting up scenes. It's got its own scenes already written into it, but lots of ideas that you can add to it yourself. And all in all, this entire set just floats my boat right out of the park, which is mixed metaphors, sorry about that, but it has the almost complexity of a creator expert modular set, but with an open doll's house style back and so much detail, and that you can actually see and access and play with it after you build, unlike a creator modular set. I like that. I know a lot of people don't, but that's how I like sets to be. So I want all Lego to be like this, all of it. But, one set's a good start. So hopefully we will see more sets like this designed for more advanced builders in the future. So get out there and get it. You won't be disappointed. All right, let me know what you think of the set in the comments, and I will be back with more videos really, really soon. So I will see you then. Bye.